Hello and welcome back to Initial Solution. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to get Super Duolingo. So let's get started. Open your web browser, go to Duolingo website and sign in. Click on More, then Settings. From the right sidebar, click on Super Duolingo. Super Duolingo is a subscription service that offers additional features and benefits to users, such as no ads during lessons, practice hub, unlimited legendary and hearts. You can start a 2-week free trial. Click on Start My Free 14 days. Now click here. Now you can choose whether you want to family plan or personal. Choose one and click on Start. Here put your billing information and click on Start My Free 14 days. So that's how you can get Super Duolingo. Hope you found this tutorial helpful. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at Initial Solution. This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.